Yes. Anyway, welcome to Shop Talk.
Welcome.
We're doing a what you plan on doing this winter episode.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay. Well, first of all, let me just jump in.
Oh, okay.
Jump in.
Yeah. So we made this calendar of a bunch of customized bikes. I'll show pictures of it in the video probably right now. So the first 20 people to subscribe and comment on this video will enter them in a drawing to win one of these calendars. It's nice. There's a lot of cool bikes in there. It's a very well put together calendar.
Can they make any comment they want?
Any comment you want.
Every bike in there has a part of ours
Yes.
in it.
Yeah. It's cool.
Yeah.
And it tells you what month and day it is.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
I mean, yeah, it does what calendars do. So anyway, back to what we're doing over the winter.
What are we doing over the winter?
What are you doing over the winter?
Well, since we just went and got, I don't know, a giant trailer load of Kawasaki Z-bike parts. Again. I'll probably be taking that trailer apart, and as Mike is breathing here so he doesn't go off the deep end about it. That's kind of what I'll be doing, along with working on that Kawasaki triples.
Whoa. We can't give all the details about that. I mean, it's a good plan. It's almost 3 times as good. You could call it a triple plan.
Oh, okay. Could I call it an electrical
Yeah.
triple plan?
Kawasaki triples.
Too dorky for you?
Yeah.
Too dorky.
We went off the deep end.
Okay. So what are you doing?
What am I doing? I don't know. What am I not doing? This winter, between riding snowmobiles, which is one of the greatest things in the world to do, I am probably going to be building another motorcycle, whether it's one of my barn finds out of my dust-covered collection that I haven't gotten running yet, or most likely another race bike, so I can enter another class.
You built a race bike?
Yeah, last winter
I believe we talked about it a couple times.
We did.
On this
Yeah,
channel,
they're done.
right?
They're
Yeah.
done.
almost as many times as we talked about those silly-looking things behind me.
What are those anyway?
We've never had a 3-wheeler episode.
It's because nobody wants to see it.
I don't know.
Or
Is
talk
that
about it.
true?
Comment.
Comments.
Yeah.
Because that's what I'll be doing this winter. 3-wheelers.
What are you going to do?
Ride.
Oh, all right.
Riding 3-wheels.
I also have to. I have a big red. There's something wrong in the transmission on that, so I got to pull that apart.
Nice.
I've been waiting till the winter because I actually use that at my house for yard work.
There you go. It's
Yeah.
a work machine. That's what Honda intended that thing to be.
It's beautiful. It's
Big
great
red
for-
work machine.
When we had a different shop, there would be farmers that would bring they would bring their 3-wheelers and 4-wheelers,
Oh, yeah.
the early Honda
Yeah.
3 and 4-wheelers down to us to fix, and I remember seeing some. I mean, these things were like beat to death. But they were pop riveted together and everything.
Work machine
But they
is
were
a work
work
machine.
machines, and the guy.
Yeah.
Listen, I just need you to make it work. I use it to
Make it
work.
run.
Yeah.
Make it run. I need it.
Yeah.
I use it to work.
That's what I'll be doing.
If you get one, you can have a winter project too.
I don't want one.
No.
I have enough winter
have
projects.
I have enough winter projects.
Stuff
Begins
to go
with
through.
K.
Okay.
Quokka.
Z. Yes.
Z.
All the KZ800s and
There you go.
H2s.
Z5s.
Whatever.
They didn't make a
Changes.
Z5, did they?
I am working. I'm gonna probably try to build a Yamaha RZ 350 for the racetrack for vintage racing if I can find one. So if anybody has a dead RZ 350 that I can turn into a race bike,
Throw
You
it
know,
into the comments.
do the
Then you can
comment
sell a
contraction.
bike and get a calendar.
sweet. I'll give you 2 calendars.
Oh, you're gonna give them your personal calendar
case
signed
you-
by you.
In case you need to be
Go.
twice as sure what day it is.
Yeah, I have lots of calendars. I have no idea what day it is.
No one does.
Yeah.
But yeah, since it's the season is winding up in New England, the season is winding down. So we just
Yeah.
wanted to talk about what we do in the
And it's no reason why it's late. It's mid late September now, and there's at least 3 to 4 weeks of really nice riding weather.
Oh, it's
around
more
here.
than 3 to 4 weeks. We've
Yeah.
got a couple months left, I think. Yeah,
Yeah,
you
it-
can ride up to November and still get lucky.
Yeah, you can. You
Yeah,
can.
definitely.
And it's beautiful around here. Driving around the woods of New England and stuff.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's nice.
Sweet.
So let us know what you're doing.
All right.